Want to run Android apps on your PC, but hate those heavy emulators like BlueStacks that lag, crash, and freeze? Well, I've got something better for you. There's actually a way to get the full Google Play Store running on your computer, no emulator required. So, let's jump straight into it. First things first, download the WSA package for your PC. You'll find the link in the description below. But before installing, there's some necessary setting we need to check. Click on your Start menu, type in Turn Windows Features on or off and hit Enter. You'll see a window pop up with a list of options. Now, scroll down and find Virtual Machine Platform. If it's not enabled, tick the box. Once done, restart your computer. This step is super important, otherwise you'll run into problems during the setup. Alright, once your PC is back on, open the Setup folder. Right-click on the zip file and extract it. You can technically use any extractor, but to avoid issues, I'd recommend sticking with 7-zip or WinRAR. After extraction, you'll get a folder. Open it up and look for a file called Run. Right-click it and select Run as administrator. This will launch PowerShell and start running some automatic commands. Don't worry, that's normal. Just give it a couple of minutes depending on your PC speed. Once it's done, you'll see a few windows appear. The first one is the Windows Subsystem for Android Settings panel. It might take a few minutes, so just be patient. And here's the best part, the Google Play Store will already be installed. To open it, just search Play Store in your Windows search bar. Launch it, and for the first time, you'll need to sign in with your Google account. And that's it, now you've got full Play Store access right on your desktop. Let's test it quickly. I'll download a small game to check. And yep, it works smoothly.